Hello guys, welcome back. This is Burping Bobby Part 2. Let's get started. Let's continue. Wait, no. That's good. Alright, so whose turn is it?
It's Grampy's turn.
Okay. I picked this one. 3 garlics. Oh.
Yay! Yay!
1, 2,
3.
2,
That was 3.
3.
Stop, that was 3. You're cheating.
I'm doing it every time he goes.
No, it's the turn. 2. Beans again.
Mommy's turn.
1, 2.
Oh, is it my turn? No. Please don't be 3 and 2. Yay, 1! Yay! 1 is not scary, right?
Hold on. Let me record you.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? Go.
1, 2.
Okay, my turn?
Yeah.
My turn, isn't it?
Oh, Grampy's turn. Go.
2 onions.
Oh my god, it's gonna be on me. Okay. We'll do it this way so you can see. Ready? 2 soda. 2 tiny. Ready?
Uh-huh.
You can see it.
Yeah.
That was really gross.
Okay, let's turn them off.
Oh!
And we open up a little door on his booty.
Oh! Alright, let's take them out. Is the game in?
You want to play again?
Yeah! Yeah, play again! Play! Alright, let's play again. So whose turn is it?
So, probably gonna get a complaint about me.
Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it, Grampy?
I'll go first.
Okay.
Yay!
I got 3 cheese. 1, 2, 3. Confidence.
My turn?
Yeah!
1 onion.
Oh no. Oh, my turn. No, why me? I'm 2. I don't like 2 and 3. 3 and 2 is very scary. I want it to be 1.
Oh, it's gonna be me again.
Yay!
2.
Auntie's turn. 1 cola. Here you go.
It's yeah.
No, my turn. No. 2 Coke.
You didn't put it in.
I know. Oh, I see.
Son of a.
Yes.
2 onions.
Yeah.
I knew it.
Miko, give me a paper towel.
Okay.
It's just the.
My iPad is
Yeah.
gonna die, so I'm gonna.
All right. So you want to wrap it up?
Yeah.
Paper towel.
Okay.
A bounty.
The bounty
Aren't they right there?
right there.
Bring me that then. That's fine.
Alright.
Ciao.
Alright, my iPad is going to die. Bye, guys. This is the end of the video. Bye.